In this video, we are going to learn about the measure command. So now the measure command is used pretty much all the time while you are developing or designing a part, especially if you are not sure exactly how big a feature is. So it allows you to interrogate your existing model to make sure you are designing correctly for it. So let's go into the Solidworks and let me show you how you can use it. So as you can see, we are already into the Solidworks. So you can see here into the tabs, there is a tab for evaluate. So maybe in your Solidworks, you cannot see this evaluate tab. So what you can do is, if you want to access any kind of tab, so you can right click any of the tabs here, and then you can go into the tabs, and then you can check whatever the tab you want to have into your user interface. So right now, as you can see, evaluate is checked. So if I'm gonna uncheck it, so you can see evaluate is just vanish from here. So if I'm gonna bring it back, so I can right click here, I can go back into the tabs, and then I can check evaluate. Okay, so measure command is in the evaluate. So I'm gonna go into the evaluate, and then you can see into the ribbon section, there is an option for measure command. I'm gonna click on that, and then you can see there is a pop-up, so I can bring it anywhere. So suppose I want to select this top surface of this body, and then I want to rotate it, and I want to select this bottom surface. So in this way, it's gonna show me the distance between top surface and bottom surface is 200 mm, as you can see. So in this way, like pretty fast, I can check the measurement and what are the dimensions and everything if you are using any existing part. Or if you are developing, so let's exit it. Sorry for distraction, but if you think my videos are helpful for you, or if you are a serious SolidWorks learner, then I'm gonna highly recommend you can go into the description of this video, and you would find a link of my course where I have over 10 hours of videos in which I have explained each and every command in a very detailed video. Or if you have any projects or assignments, so feel free to write me on my email, which is given into the description of this video. Thank you. So if you are developing like your parts, so what you can do is, suppose I can focus here, and then I can go into the sketch. I want to make a sketch here, and I can go into the sketch, and I want to have a sketch. I want to sketch a circle. So I can start it from here. So I don't know like how much the dimension of the circle. So what I can do is I can just leave my circle here, and then I can go into the evaluate, and I can go into the measure, and I can select, I can measure this circle. So it shows me like this circle is, the diameter of the circle is 30 mm. Okay, then I can click OK. I can just exit the measure, and then again I can go back into my sketch. This is my sketch, and then I can go back into the dimensions, and then I can give dimension to my circle like less than 30 if you want to have circle on that circle. So I would say 25 mm. So because that circle was 30, so I want to have a circle of 25 diameter. So in this way, like you can use when you are making your designs, or you can use your measure command for already existing parts. If you are, especially you already not developed that part yourself, and you are using existing parts for someone else, and you want to measure about the features, how big the feature is, or how big the measurements are. So what you can do is you can quickly go into the evaluate, and then you can use the measure command. And that's all for today's video. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this one. And if you are a serious SolidWorks learner, then don't forget to check the course link in the description. Thank you. Sorry for distraction, but if you think my videos are helpful for you, or if you are a serious SolidWorks learner, then I'm gonna highly recommend you can go into the description of this video, and you would find a link of my course where I have over 10 hours of videos in which I have explained each and every command in a very detailed video. Or if you have any projects or assignments, so feel free to write me on my email, which is given into the description of this video. Thank you.